And the DPP is headed by a lawyer. That's our colleague. If for nothing, Your Honor, we should see some respect for court orders from the office of the DPP. If you look at a copy of the affidavit of service, it indicates even the time that order was served. Your Honor. And I'm even wondering, if the statement of the accused person was taken this morning, when did the DPP review the file to make a decision whether he should charge the accused person? We're just playing politics with our judicial justice system. Your Honor. The OCS was served with the order. It was even sent to him through the phone. And that to confirm, Your Honor, that that affidavit of service before you this morning. We cannot, Your Honor, come to court as officer of this PP to display impunity before you. What I expected from my colleague is to render an apology to the court and admit that the accused person should be released on the bail terms that were granted by the High Court. These others are stories. With tremendous respect to my learned colleague, those are stories. Your Honor, this morning I want this court to reaffirm the authority of the court. Remember, Madam, Your Honor, that after we enacted this new constitution, we professionalized the office of the DPP. They are now headed by lawyers who have gone to school, who have been trained on professional ethics. Your Honor. And I've stated that today it is Honorable Kibagendi. The other day it was Honorable Atam. For all I care, it could be me tomorrow if the state continues with this overreach. Tomorrow it could even be you, Your Honor. And I want to tell my colleague here that I have appeared in court representing an officer, DPP, who has been charged in a court of law. But I still insist that justice should be served to every suspect, every accused person. We said these things during the era when there was harassment of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. We said those things when there was harassment on Raila, and we'll say them even today. Because we want a fair, just